Welcome to today's video. I just took a shower. I feel nice and squeaky clean. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I haven't showered for days. I'm just gonna do my squick. Alright, going with this honey serum. Really feels really nice on the skin. I did not wash my face last night. That actually kind of broke me out a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys my room. Oh my god. Oh my. I go through this never-ending cycle where my room's clean for like a good 2 days, and then once I do some laundry, throw it onto my bed. When I need to go to sleep, throw it onto the ground, and then my room's just a mess and I just keep letting it pile up and pile up. I don't know why I have like so many of these lying around in my room right now. I've never really known what they're for. What is wrong with me? I'm not gonna lie, I feel like you guys have seen me fold these specific clothing pieces probably like 5 times in my videos already. The amount of hair ties that I collect for my room is just... go and wash all of these sheets, but currently my roommate is using the washer anyways. I pretty much did everything at this point to clean my room, like with what I had and what I could clean. All of this stuff in the corner that's just piled up over there, I can't make my bed since I can't clean my sheets. Anyways, we're gonna grab some lunch for the day. I'm also going to head over to a cafe for like an hour to finish a video since I can't find myself doing it in here, and then we'll move on with the rest of our day. I'm DIYing it here and I'm like literally just gonna scoop the Nutella out and like spread it around the bowl. It's drowning. You guys, I've probably been wearing this same outfit for like 2 days straight, but I've just been switching out the top. So I've just been throwing this button up and wearing these shorts practically everywhere. It's literally the cutest thing ever. This is probably like one of my favorite purchases for summer because it's gonna go well with everything. It's actually from Princess Polly, and now that I've mentioned it, I do want to thank Princess Polly for sponsoring today's video. I love Princess Polly. I recently went on a trip and needed last minute bathing suits, outfits, and I practically bought everything from there. So I do have a discount code for you guys. It's just MAGS20, so you guys can use that at checkout to save some money. Princess Polly ships within the United States and they offer free express shipping on orders over $50. They also offer AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers. I'll start off with some of the things that I just bought on my own. For example, this top, which I've already worn like 3 times this week. I was looking for like cute graphic tank tops for the summertime, and I think this one is perfect. I also really like the color. The top that I've been wearing throughout this video, absolutely one of my favorite pieces that I own now because I know it's going to be a staple for the summer. This specifically for my small boobs is so flattering on. It's literally perfect, especially under button-ups. It looks really cute. I also got this set top, which on camera is going to look extremely confusing, so I will just show you guys the trend portion of it. My friends loved this top, so if you guys are looking for like a cute going out top for the summer, it comes with 2 different pieces. So this is like what it goes over your shoulders, and then this like ties in front, like kind of like a bathing suit top actually. I also got these shorts from them, which are my new go-to favorite shorts because these are like a perfect length to where they look like mom shorts, or like long enough where they look flattering. I got these in a size 4, so I did choose to size up, so I had that like baggier look, which I think ended up being perfect. They're like big enough where they look really baggy and oversized, but then they fit the waist, which is exactly how I wanted these to turn out. I've been eyeing these overalls for quite a long time. It's these corduroy overalls in this dark green color. For the summertime, this will be really cute like under bikini if you just want to like throw something over, or if you want to wear this with a white tank top under. I feel like this would be really cute with the smaller top that I have. I think that could be kind of cute. I also ended up picking up this top, which I thought was really funky and different and colorful, which is something that I was kind of going for given that it's summer, just vibrant colors. I like the little detailing that it has, like the sides, diagonal, I can't wait to style all these outfits. I already have so many outfits in mind. I also picked up another going out top. It's this vest. I have a smaller chest and I feel like this is just like a little bit tight, so I would recommend sizing up from your regular size, that way that it fits. I feel like it's a statement piece, even if you were to just wear this with like leather pants. That would look really cute, or even just jeans. I got some dresses from them because Princess Polly has like some of the cutest dresses. I have literally so many dresses from them. So I got this lilac dress. I thought this would be beautiful for the summer. This on like a day out with your best friends, if you're going to dinner or if you're going to the beach, this could be really pretty. And I feel like you could style this in a way that's like casual, but also if you want it to be fancy, you could totally go for that as well. I also picked up this baby blue floral dress, which I thought was quite adorable. It has a slit on the side, which I love. A good slit on the side, it kind of adds to like the flattering look if you're going on a picnic with your boyfriend. This is so pretty. I feel like baby blue is one of my favorite colors on me, actually. It reminds me of Cinderella. I also picked up this green long dress. When you tie it up in the middle, it really cinches in and then it fits a lot better. It's a very long dress, so it goes like all the way down to my feet. So how I would style this is with like heels, white heels. I think that would be super pretty, but I think this is gonna be so pretty to wear to the beach. I also got this long skirt, which this is like probably my favorite shade of green, actually. That and mint green. Styling it with heels or even Air Forces casually, you can totally do this as well. This with like a crochet top, or throw on your bikini, throw this over it, and then like have your bikini top out if it's like coordinated with the color. I think that would be so pretty. I actually love this haul. This is like probably one of my favorite hauls that I've done with Princess Polly. You guys can shop all these pieces and I'll have all the links down below. Again, thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I pretty much have my video finished, which I feel so accomplished by. I'm going to head off to Trader Joe's because I want to pick up some stuff like to eat for the next couple of days. Then I also want to get some flowers for my boyfriend. Him and his mom, I want to grab some flowers for. They're both really good. Smells good. Which one do you want? We can do an airplane for you. She's gonna air fry the pita bread. If you want like a quick snack for the day, a dip, hummus, seems pretty good.
Look, you make a sandwich. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna warm this up. Bree's like the little chef here. She has like all these ideas in her head. What, guys? It's melted. A little hot.
Blow on it before you eat it, guys.
That's really good, huh?
Wanna try it?
That's good. Is it minty?
I'm gonna get ready right now to go take some photos, eat some dinner. Me and my friends kind of just wanted to have a cute little day, so. Have this like really interesting fit on. I think it kind of works. It's like fancy, but like casual at the bottom. This is my new Holy Girl favorite makeup product. It's the Benetint by Benefit. So this is a little before I put it on. See what that did? That's not pretty. dip this, make it spicy. Cheese in it. I've never tried this before, so let's see. Oh wow, it's a different flavoring. It's like sweet and sour at the same time. That's nice. It's so squishy. It's like mochi. Right.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it.
I thought I would take you guys along with us to the beach. I swear if this man says he's here, I'm gonna laugh. It's summer, guys. I can't tell you how happy I am about that. I am going to finish getting ready because I don't want to be late.
Oh, shit.
My first time trying cava. My bowl looks delicious. Looks delicious. I'm gonna try it. You can eat it with the pita bread. You take a piece of pita bread.
It's life, you know you gotta live.